Hey guys, I'm with the goat. That's my new friend. Hey. It's George. Yep. Hey George, how's it going? Say something. You happy to be here? Good boy. This is day 59 of my speaking challenge. I will talk on camera every single day, no matter what I am, no matter what I'm doing, in English. Because I'm Russian native speaker. I'm from Russia. This is Russian village, small Russian village, and my goal is to improve English, become as better as possible in speaking. Today is 9th May. I'm still being in my village. Like today is a big celebration, big holiday in Russia, in the whole world, I guess, when we won in Second World War and ended up. So today, I guess everyone in our village we're walking, making grill meat in the ponds and the lakes, and just chilling with families, with friends. I'm gonna go to the pond right now, beautiful ponds, and show a little bit our nature here, fields. You're gonna be surprised actually how beautiful can it be living in village in the spring. What I did, I helped out my grandma. First of all, I saw her, I visited her house, get a lunch from her, as usually. Help out with my father. We cut down a dry tree, we cut it and cut branches, put it off the yard. Also, my grandma has chickens, like a pet, a lot of chicken in the backyard, and we were supposed to carry them from a small cage to the biggest space for growing next in the future, and in the future they will provide us by eggs. Yeah, oh my god, this is sounds of, yeah, a little bit war here, and yeah, and check this out. And now you need to be ready to check out the beautiful view. Wait a second. A lot of crops, families are working there, grandmothers working there, and trees, field. It was kind. There is a pond. Let's go to the pond. And I so like it that in this place, literally, if you just close your mouth, stop talking, absolutely no noise, absolutely silence here. Only singing birds around here, the same like in the tropical jungles. What the hell is this? Bee. Let's go with me, bee. It's great. Someone in the pond actually already. You're gonna check this out. Yeah, so these chilling days here. I don't know, nothing extraordinary to say, nothing extraordinary stories. This is a common rural life. Look, this is a pond. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's a small beach with some person here, and pond, and jungles. You see this? You hear these cheering birds? Some wild fish swimming there. Oh, this wild birds. In this pond, like when I was a kid, we spent a lot of time swimming, playing here in the volleyball. We can play volleyball in this beach. It is great. Oh, lizards also here. Wow, super united with the nature in this moment. Phew. With spider's web. Oh my god, this is pigeons or what is this? Is seagulls, but this is not sea, this is paddle gulls. Crazy paddle gulls. In this place we often did fishing with my friends. Yeah, it was great, but it's really a low possibility to catch a big fish here. It's mostly some small. And now only endless fields. Only endless fields. What a contrast! What a contrast! A week ago, I was in the Moscow downtown, Moscow city, with with the richest guys, richest cars, Lamborghini, Ferraris, just this rich lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? I was surrounded by this high pace, but now nothing, no one. Small bridge. I hope I'm not gonna go down. My God, is it steady? I think it's steady. Oh! Tomorrow I will be in Moscow again. Yeah, I will spend this time a little bit with myself, thinking about life. All right, see you guys. Have a good day. Have a good spending time. And enjoy weather. Enjoy nature, definitely.